This 2025 Keystone Fuzion Impact Edition 415 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a charcoal interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.